Hey guys, Stephen Fielders here, back in the garage. Today we're looking at the Duha Tote portable storage, and with Duha we have Dan. How you doing, Dan?
Good.
Thanks for coming out today.
Thanks for having me.
So Dan, fill us in more on the tote and what it does, who's it for, and how's it made?
Well, the tote is a portable storage made for anybody with any type of thing that you need to haul. And what we designed it for was two things. One was to be able to get at it very simple and to access it from the outside of your vehicle, and to be able to take it out and take it with you wherever you go.
Good deal. So cover some of the features for us. This thing looks pretty packed full of features. Just fill us in on some of those.
Well, with the portable mounting bracket, which we've installed here, we can lock it into the vehicle this way.
Okay.
And then we can pull it out. By doing this, now I have access to be able to get into my portable storage standing on the side of the vehicle. And it has trays on the top, which can be adjusted to put in whatever you want to put into it.
Right.
And inside it also has portable dividers that can be taken out, so you can have a 6 portions or 2 portions or 1 portion that is all open, so to whatever your needs would be. And it's made to be able to put back in again, like I said, and lock it into the vehicle.
All right.
So it can store guns, it can store hardware, it can store carpentry tools, whatever your imagination has.
Excellent. I saw the dividers had those built-in racks. Is it up to 4 guns? Is that right?
Up to 4 guns, yes, sir.
Good deal. Now, guys, this is also covered by a lifetime warranty, so they really stand behind their products here, and it's made in the United States of America. Now, what is it made of that makes it so durable?
It's a polyethylene, and it is very durable. Pretty much will take any type of bangs or kicks and doesn't dent.
All right, guys, so that's a wrap. Dan, thank you again for coming out today, man.
You're welcome.
It's been a great pleasure.
Thank you for having me.
Guys at home, if you want any more details about the tote, check the description below the video. We'll have everything listed for you there, as well as a part number and a dealer locator, so you can find the tote at a local dealer near you. Thanks again for tuning in. This has been Total Truck Centers in the Garage.